Hey guys, hope you're fine. So today I'm making a boiled chicken stew with assorted vegetables, that is to say carrots, green peppers, tomatoes, spring onions, zucchini, potatoes, peas, garlic, name it all. Yeah. So I'm adding the vegetables to the chicken. Apart from the peas, carrots, and the zucchinis, those ones I'll add them later. But the rest you can just add them immediately. So I'm going to just add the dry ingredients to the chicken. I'm going to be using some salt, black pepper, turmeric, paprika, chicken curry powder, and mixed curry powder. That is all for the dry ingredients. And then I'm going to use water, and then I'll just put our chicken on a source of heat. Some people prefer to add the fresh ingredients later on, but personally I would prefer to add them like as soon as possible at the get-go, because we want them to cook with the chicken. We want them to give our sauce a very nice flavor. I've just added in some fresh thyme. It adds lots of flavor to the sauce. So I only add the carrots, the peas, and the zucchinis later because I don't want them to mash. But the rest I would advise you to add them before. So this is how the chicken is looking like. It has been cooking for some minutes, and then I actually add the potatoes and the rest when it's almost cooked. And as you can see, looks almost ready. Then add the peas later on because they cook for a short time. Just let it simmer on low heat. Simmering helps the sauce to cook evenly, and then it gives it a very nice taste and flavor. So this is how it looks like. Very easy to make, very tasty, very colorful. You can actually just have that instead of pairing it with something else. You can just add your vegetables to the chicken and then just have it as a one pot meal. So I'm just going to enjoy it with some rice, but you can eat it with anything that you would wish. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you try it out. It's very tasty, very easy to make. You'll thank me later.